Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Fary River Railway Development blog. Today, I'll be showcasing two new features that will be coming in 0.1.2. Before I go into detail for the first feature, let's go to Summer Old. Let's go. There we go. A few of you may remember this place as the old TDC Train Museum codenamed 2.0 project, which has since been abandoned due to the game's closure. A few of you may be asking why I'm showcasing a merchandise store. Well, this is Meme Gaps. I'm going to show you more in just a moment. Alright, we are back in the testing server for the next FRR update. As you can see, Marco West has now been completed. Well, barely. Marco West will be remade from scratch completely for the new beta map, so don't worry, this isn't the final product. While some station scenery is still incomplete, such as the empty maps and signage, the band from the first version is still here. Donation tip jars are also now working for the next update. Alright, enough of the small details. I'm going to show you what I wanted to show you. Fary River's Meme Gap store. The Meme Gap store has been revitalized and increased in size to emphasize its use as a merchandise store. In the future, there will be coat racks to allow for more merch to be sold. In terms of Fary River Railway merch, we just have to dispatch uniforms. But in the future, if FRR receives more updates, which is likely, there will be more merch related to the game's aspects, as well as operators. Of course, you can't forget about the return of the almighty donations tip jars. Alright, that's it for feature 1. Let's move over to feature 2. Alright, the next feature I'm going to show you is merely a cosmetic feature. Currently, the trains in FRR do not have any cab animations, as seen here. In the next update, there will be cab animations for the classes 142 and 158. The class 508 cab animations are still incomplete, that's why I've only shown you the static model of the cab. Like other sounds in the experience, they're placeholder sounds. I'm trying my best to source as many sounds as I can despite being a Canadian-based developer working on a British train game. For the sharp-eyed viewers out there, the green blocks are essentially signal blocks used in the upcoming signaling system. This system is incomplete and will not be added in 0.1.2, although a prototype model has already been developed and is currently in testing. At the moment, the current cab animations include a horn, brake, and throttle. In the future, I might add a working 3D instrument panel. Who knows? Now, the bigger question is, when will 0.1.2 be ready? Unfortunately, I do not have an ETA on when the update will be released for everyone to test. The university has taken quite a toll on my availability. As such, I haven't been able to dedicate as much time as I usually could to FRR's development. Although, if I finish my schoolwork in time, it could come out in a few weeks, but I highly doubt that will happen. I don't like usually ending things off on a negative note, but this is pretty much it for today's development blog. So, thank you for watching today's edition of the FRR development blog. See you around!